The last example was left in the previous video. So the last example that means D is both the boys appear to pull each other. And why they are able to pull? Because there is interaction between them. So from these example we can say that interaction of the object, one object with other object, results in a force. So force is represented by F. It is a vector quantity. Two types of quantities there, vector and scalar quantity. Vector quantity which has both magnitude as well as direction, and scalar quantity having only magnitude, no direction. And example of scalar quantity is speed, energy, etc., which you will read in detail in class 9. So force is a vector quantity having both magnitude as well as direction. The strength of force is expressed in magnitude. So unit of force is, or we can say the SI unit of force is Newton, capital N. And in CGS system, the unit of force is denoted by dyne, D-Y-N-E. 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dynes. So it must be kept in mind that a force does not always make an object move. Now, exploring force. Two activities are here to find out the resultant force. So requirements, heavy box, which you can move only by pushing hard. Then procedure, what we have to do, push this heavy box by yourself with force F. Can you move it? No, you cannot move it alone. Now ask your friend to help you, and then both of you try to push it. Can you and your friend move it? Yes, you can do it. And now repeat the same activity, but this time ask your friend to push it from the opposite side with force F, and see the object moves or not. No, the object does not move because the two force which is equal in magnitude get cancelled. Now ask your friend to push it with 2F force. That means the force is increased. And this time we will see that the box will move towards you because the more force is applied by your friend. So what are the reason? When the force or the when you and your friend push the box in same direction, then this time the force get added here and it get increased. F plus F, it becomes 2F. And when you and your friend push the box in the opposite direction, the resultant force is cancelled because of the same amount of force, and the difference between the two forces is 0. So the box will not move. And when your friend applies 2F force, box move towards you because this time the net force will be 2F, which makes the box move towards you. it is more than the force applied by you. And this can be seen in the game of tug of war. Tug of war is रस्साकसी, जिसमें कुछ लोग दोनों तरफ से रस्सी को खींचते हैं. And the force applied by the group of people, if it is more than the tug of war is won by them. Science bits, the SI unit of force is known as Newton, as the physicist Sir Isaac Newton is discovered it. And force is also measured in kilogram force and pound force. In some places of the world, 1 kgf, 1 kilogram force is equal to 9.8 Newton or 10 Newton.